Welcome back to Technovation. Today we're going to talk about how to effectively manage a national network of service providers. If you still use spreadsheets to manage your network, then please stop what you're doing and just give me 60 seconds. We know that managing service providers is not an easy task. From sourcing to qualifying, compliance, putting agreements in place, dispatching work, communicating from the field, making timely payments, it's crazy. There's a lot of moving pieces and it's really easy for things to slip through the cracks, which is exactly why you need to start leveraging a system that allows you to aggregate all of that information into one place. You need a system that's going to reduce the administrative burden on your service providers with features like auto invoice generation, because we all know they hate making invoices, or even online payments so you don't have to sit in the office and cut checks for days on end. All this to say, don't get left behind. Equip your business with technology to become a national powerhouse, because at the end of the day, success has never been easier.